What's up, everybody? So last night I had a little pep talk from a friend of mine that told me to get this thing back on the road, and well, here we are. He reminded me, well, I reminded myself talking to him that I had a set of used, pretty much new, P29 pistons with brand new bearings inside of them. And you know what? We're gonna slap these old ones out. We're gonna slap it back in. We're gonna Frankenstein this thing back together, get it back on the road, get some stuff rolling. So stay tuned. I'm gonna tear this thing apart. I'll walk you through it a little bit. Let's go. Alright guys, got that old pan off. Just sprayed everything down. We're gonna pop off those guys right there. Rod bearings and rods, and see which one's toasted. Alright guys, so this pan's off. I've gotten bearings 3 and 2 out and looked at it. I just loosened up 1 and 4. We're getting ready to drop this bearing and see what cylinder 1 looks like. Honestly, not quite what I was expecting to see. Man, I hope it's on a main. Alright, let's see what cylinder 4 looks like. Got cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 looks the worst. Some scarring there. I still don't know if that's enough to make a noise. I guess I have to pull it apart a little bit more.